cove.tool runs a point-in-time shadow analysis for all projects in 3D analysis. This study allows designers to investigate the amount of solar access to the site in 15-minute intervals throughout the course of the day. This allows design teams to consider the impact of physical obstructions, including context buildings. And it also helps to regulate zoning ordinances, shape buildings and their programs, and address the strategic concerns for access to natural resources and human activities. Shadow studies from cove.tool can be used for local zoning applications which require them. You can change the dates to examine those required by zoning ordinance. In this case, we will look at March 21st, and then capture the hours from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. using the Export Screenshot tool. You could also use these images to create animations that illustrate the path of shadows across a project site for clients or design considerations. In addition, shadow analysis can help designers make decisions about self-shading and glazing locations, outdoor activity such as patios, urban context impacts, and landscaping impacts.